Welcome to the top best. The best Tailgate Hinge Kit is probably one of the most overlooked upgrades for your vehicle, but trust me, it can make a world of difference. If you're tired of a misaligned or difficult to close tailgate, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great Tailgate Hinge Kit, and why it's a smart investment for any vehicle owner looking to improve their truck's functionality and longevity. Number 5. Dorman 38642 Tailgate Hinge Insert Kit. Is your tailgate misaligned? This direct replacement kit is designed to match the original parts. It will restore proper tailgate alignment and function on your vehicle. This kit is an ideal solution. It's a reliable replacement for original components that have failed due to wear. You can count on it. Built to last, this kit is made from quality components. This ensures reliable performance and a long service life. It's built tough. Backed by product experts with over a century of experience. The quality is trustworthy. You can trust this product. To ensure this part fits your vehicle, use the garage tool. Input your make, model, and trim level. Also, check the Amazon confirmed fit bar before purchasing. What we like. This kit is a direct replacement, meaning it's designed to perfectly match the original parts. If you're looking for a hassle-free solution to restore your tailgate's function, this is the one. With its reliable performance and trustworthy quality, it's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a dependable fix. What people say. These hinges are very nice. Easy to install and hopefully will not rust out. The hinges are marked left and right for correct placement and fit perfectly. Number 4. MITZONE Tailgate Hinge Kit for Chevy GMC. Are your tailgate hinges worn out? This MITZONE kit is designed to replace your old ones. It's a reliable solution for your truck. This kit fits various Chevy and GMC models from 1988 to 2000, including C1500, C2500, C3500, K1500, K2500, and K3500. It's also compatible with some Silverado models. The kit replaces hinges with numbers 15521579, 15603558, 15691087, and 15691088. Make sure these numbers match your current hinges. The kit includes 4 hinges, 2 for the body mount, left and right, and 2 for the tailgate mount, left and right. Everything you need for a complete replacement is in the package. Made from quality components, this kit ensures reliable performance and a long service life. You can count on it to last. If you're unsure about fitment or have any questions, contact us through Amazon. We're here to help you resolve any issues and ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This kit boasts wide vehicle compatibility, covering a range of Chevy and GMC models. It includes all the necessary hinges for a complete replacement. If you have an older truck and need a comprehensive solution, this kit has you covered. Its durable construction ensures it can handle the demands of daily use. What people say. Nice replacement for 93 Chevy. They are very nicely made and work very good. Exact fit and works. Number 3. Dorman 38640 Tailgate Hinge Kit, Chevrolet GMC. Is your tailgate misaligned? This kit is designed to match the original parts. It's what you need to restore proper tailgate function. This kit is a reliable replacement for original components. It's designed to fix wear and tear issues, ensuring your tailgate works smoothly. Made with quality components, this kit ensures reliable performance. It's built to last, providing a long service life for your vehicle. Backed by product experts with over a century of experience. You can trust this kit to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Make sure this part fits your vehicle perfectly. Input your make, model, and trim level to confirm compatibility before you buy it. What we like. This kit offers a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. It's an ideal solution for worn-out components, restoring your tailgate's alignment and function. If you value a straightforward, reliable fix, this kit's durable construction and trustworthy quality make it a solid choice. What people say. These replacement tailgate hinges seem to be well made. These appear to be identical to the factory hinges in shape and size. They are well made and strong as needed. Number 2. Dorman 38648 Tailgate Hinges for Ford. Is your tailgate misaligned? This direct replacement kit is designed to match the original parts. It will restore proper tailgate alignment and function. This kit is a reliable replacement for original components. It's the ideal solution if your original parts have failed due to wear. This kit is built to last. It's made from quality components to ensure reliable performance and a long service life. You can trust this product. It's backed by a team of product experts in the United States with over a century of automotive experience. Make sure it fits your vehicle. Input your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool to confirm compatibility. What we like. This kit is a direct replacement, designed to match the original parts. It's an ideal solution for restoring proper tailgate alignment and function. If you drive a Ford and need a reliable replacement, this kit's durable construction and trustworthy quality provide a dependable fix. What people say. Perfect fit on my 1997 Ford F-250 heavy duty. These were a drop-in replacement. Once installed, my tailgate closed easily. These fit like they should and the tailgate works like it should now. Number 1. ABIGAIL Tailgate Hinge Kit for Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra. Is your tailgate giving you trouble? This kit is designed to fix that. It's a direct replacement for your worn-out hinges. Made from heavy-duty steel with rust-resistant plating, it's built to last. This ensures it can withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. The package includes 4 hinges, 2 for the body and 2 for the tailgate. Installation is easy, allowing you to quickly get your tailgate back in working order. This kit fits 1999 to 2006 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra pickups, as well as 2005 to 2006 Hummer H2 and 2006 Hummer H1. It's a versatile solution for various vehicles. It replaces part numbers 150742252, 1507423, 150787745, and 150787746. While not a genuine part, it meets or exceeds OEM standards. We stand behind this product with a satisfaction guarantee. If you have any issues, contact customer service for assistance with parts, replacements, or a refund. Our goal is to make you happy with both the parts and the service. What we like. This kit is made of heavy-duty steel and rust-resistant plating, ensuring durability and long service life. It comes as a complete set, including all the necessary hinges for both the body and tailgate. If you want a robust, easy-to-install solution for your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. Was an exact fit and heavy-duty material better than original, easy install? Did its exact job good product? AAA plus perfect fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.